from sunny Thailand. Today is June 2nd, 2026, and we congratulate you on the arrival of summer. We wish you plenty of bright moments and joyful events. Right now, we are at the construction site of our 12th project, Siam Rental Oasis, which is located right in front of a golf course. Just look at the gorgeous view that opens up here. And now let's take a look at how the construction is progressing and which stages have been completed so far. Let's start with Building A. The monolithic works are being carried out on the 8th floor. Installation of engineering systems has also begun, and preparations of the interior spaces are actively underway. Work is continuing on constructing the upper floors and preparing the roof. Masonry work is being carried out on the 3rd and 4th floors. Plastering work is being done on the 2nd and 3rd floors. On the 1st floor, tile laying has begun, and preparations for ceiling installation are underway. Installation of electrical and plumbing systems is also actively continuing. Work continues on the construction of columns and floor slabs at the level of the 6th and 7th floors in Building B. On the lower floors, masonry work is actively underway, along with ongoing plastering and preparations for interior finishing. At the same time, installation of engineering systems, including electrical, plumbing, and ventilation, is continuing. The building is steadily moving forward and already on the lower floors, the first elements of the future apartments are becoming visible. Next, let's move on to Building C. The monolithic works have been completed up to the 8th floor slab. Work continues on preparing the roof and the upper structures of the building. On the 4th and 5th floors, wall masonry is actively underway, while on the 3rd and 4th floors, plastering work is being carried out. On the 1st floor, work has begun on laying tiles in the bathrooms and on the balconies, as well as installing ceilings. And for those clients whose payment schedule is tied to the stages of construction, we would like to remind you that throughout the course of this current month, invoices will be distributed to our valued clients via email, and there will be a period of 30 calendar days to settle this bill in full. So please check your email, pay the invoices, and send the payment receipts to the developer by email. Thank you for watching, for your trust, and see you soon in sunny Thailand.